Welcome back. This is a continuation of a series of lessons on sets, SURDS. So this is further mathematics or elective mathematics. Solve final exam questions and examples on sets, further or elective what mathematics. Yes. So guys, thank you. You're welcome. Let us look at this. This is an objective question. Say simplify. Simplify this. So how do you simplify? This is a fractional set. So to simplify this, we have to look at what the denominator, the conjugate of the denominator as we learned. So what is the denominator is 4 plus 4 minus square root of 10. So what is the conjugate of 4 minus square root of 10? The conjugate will be what? 4 plus what? Square root of what? 10. So this is equal to, it means that this is equal to what? We have the given set, which is square root of 5 plus 3 over what? 4 minus square root of what? Square root of 10. Then you multiply times what? Times the conjugate, which is 4 plus square root of 10. All over what? 4 plus square root of what? 4 plus square root of 10. Okay? Yes. So this is what you get. Don't forget that the denominator you will get what? So this is equal to, okay? Is equal to what? This is equal to. Then this will go and multiply. This will go and multiply the whole thing, and then when it finishes, square root of 5 go and multiply the whole thing. When it finishes, then 3 will also go and multiply. So we have to expand. So why do you write it? This is square. It means that square root of 5 is multiplying what? 4 plus square root of what? Square root of 10. And after that, this plus 3, positive 3 is also multiplying what? You see, square root of what? Is multiplying, sorry, 4 plus square root of what? Square root of 10, okay? So 4 plus square root of 10, okay? Yeah, so this is what you have all over. This one, see the conjugate, the product of conjugate will give you a difference of two squares. Difference of 2 squares. So this one, when you span, and then they will get 4 squared minus what? Minus 10 all squared. So you get 16 minus 10. You get what? You get 6. So you let me take this time, I will take my time and do it, but the subsequent ones I will just simplify quickly. So you have for this 4 will go and multiply the whole thing. So positive 4 will go and multiply 4 plus square root of 10. And then this negative 10, negative square root of 10 also will go and multiply 4 plus square root of 10. Okay? Yes, so let us continue. So this is what you know, these are the the answers, choices. So we have to be very careful. Okay? So 5 times square root of 5 times 4, get 4 root what? 4 root 5. And then plus square root of 5 times square root of 10, you get square root of 50. Square root of 5 times 10, so square root of what? 50. Square root of 50. So when you finish, you will still have to simplify, because this one, you have to simplify. Okay, then you are finished with the 3, it will get to the 10 of this term, so plus what? 3 times 4 is what? 12. And then plus what? 3 times what? 3 times square root of 10, you get what? Plus 3 root what? 3 root 10. Okay, put it down all over. Okay, 4 times 4 you get 16. You see, you have started getting at what I said. 4 times 4 is 16, and then 4 times square root of 10 is what? Positive 4 root what? 4 root 10. You have to get your negative square root of 10 times 4 is the same as 4 times negative square root of 10, which is negative what? 4 root what? Root 10. And then we have negative square root of 10 plus positive square root of 10. Get negative square root of 10 times 10 is 100. This is what we get. So at the end of the day, this and this, 4 root 10 minus 4 root 10 minus 4 root 10, get 0. Obviously, this term will go to, that's our term. So this one, we get 4 squared minus square root of 10 all squared, get 16 minus 10. That's what we get. So as yes, you just look at it, you get it very soon. So this is equal to what? So 4, you have to write 4 root what? 4 root 5. Put it down. Then plus 50, you have to simplify this. This is 25. So we'll come back to the 25 times what? 25 times 2. That is the square root of 50. You have to come back to, yes, you have to simplify your mind. Then plus what? Plus, you have 12. So plus 12. And then plus 12 plus what? Plus 3 root 10. Write them, okay? All about. Then you know better, what do you get? Get 16. You get 16. And then square root of 100 is what? 10. Obviously, you are getting 6, as I told you earlier. Yes. So this is equal to what? 4 root what? 4 root 5. Okay? 4 root 5. And then this one is what? Square root of 25 times square root of 2. Square root of 25, you get what? So you get, if you separate, you get square root of 25 times square root of 2. This is 25 is 5. 5 times square root of 2. You get 5 root 2. Obviously, you get 5 root 2. So this one will be what? This one is 5 root what? 5 root 2. And then plus what? Have the plus 12. And then plus what? 3 root what? 3 root 10. Okay? 3 root 10. Okay, fine. All over what? All over. This is what? 60 minus 10 is what? 6. So this is what we get. So let us come here. So this is equal to what? Then we have, look here, 4 root 5 plus 5 is 4 root 5 plus what? 4 root 5 plus 5 root 2. Okay, yes. So what you do that, then we have 12 here. We have 12. Have you seen? We have 12. So let us look at that. If you look at what? The question, how they are. We have the answers. We have root 5 first, root 2, and then root 10. And then we have for 2. So you rearrange our this thing. You can separate them. This is the same as what? 4 over 4 root 5 divided by 6. Then yes, we break it. So this is the same as what? 4 root 5. So the root 5 is coming first. Root 5, the term. So you can write it as 4 root what? 4 root 5 all over 6. Write it like this. Then the next term is the root 2. What is the root 2? We have plus 5 root 2 all over 6. Plus 5 root what? Root 2 all over 6. And then we have what? Plus what? Plus 3 root 10. Plus 3 root 10 all over 6. Okay? The 3 root 10 over 6. And then plus what? We have plus 12. 12 over 6. Okay? Yes. So this is equal to what? It's equal to this one is the same as what? This is the same as 4 times root of square root of 5 over 6. So 2 goes here 2. 2 goes here 3. Have you seen? Which means that we will get what? We will get 2 over 3. 2 over 3. 2 over 3 root 5. This is what you get. Well, this is the same as 2 root 5 all over 3. This is the same as what? 2 over 3 root 5. I've been telling you, you can write it as this. This will make me write it this. So 2 over 3 root 5. And this one, you get what? Plus 5 over 6. 5 over 6 root what? Root 2. And then 3 goes into 6. How many times? 2. So you get what? This is, you get, so 3 goes, so you get square root of 10 over 2. Which is the same as 1 over 2 root what? Root 10. So you get plus 1 over 2 root what? Root 10. And then 6 goes into 12 is 2 plus 2. So this is the answer. You have 2 over 3 root 5. 2 over 3, they are all the same thing. You get this, all the first terms, they are the same. 2 over 3 plus 5 over 6 root what? Root 2 plus 5 over 6. So this one is out. Because this is a minus. So positive plus 5 over 6 root 2. Have you seen? Plus 5 over 6 root 2. Okay, they are all here. And then the third term is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 root 10. So plus 1 over 2 root 10. They are all here. And then the last term is plus 2. Plus 2. This term does not bring the distance. So this is what? This is the correct answer. Correct answer is what? B. Yes, guys, I hope you are enjoying. This is very simple. Don't have enough space. But the understanding is what matters. If you understand this, you understand, you'll be able to solve, get answers, you'll be able to follow, get understand that the name of the channel. And plus, so guys, if you are benefiting, kindly subscribe to the channel and share to let me know that you are benefiting. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that if additional videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Hello students, you're welcome back. This is a continuation of what of solved final exam questions and what examples on what further mathematics or elective mathematics. In fact, the previous one was involving, because you know the elective maths is different from core maths. Yes, so the previous one looked as if we were solving a theory question. Okay, so there's an example. This is an objective. It's also an objective question. Yes, as to what to simplify. As to simplify. Know that if you have what, if you have anything, if you have something squared, x squared means s times what? S times s. That's what it means. Okay, so we have to simplify 1 over what? 1 minus square root of what? 3. All squared. Okay, 1 minus 1 over 1 minus square root of 3 all squared. This, if you are an elective math student, if you have square, you don't waste your time. You just square 1 square minus 2 times 1 times negative 3, and then plus square root of yes, 2, you use 1 square the 1, and 2 times 1 times negative square root of 3, and then plus what? Square root of 3, negative square root of 3, all squared. Okay, yeah, so you get 1 minus 2 root 3 plus 3. You get 4 minus 2 root 3. That's what we get for this. Okay, so let us move on. So let us take our time. So this is the same as what? Because the square the same as 1 over what? It's repeating square. S times it means that 1 over 1 minus square root of 3, then times what? Another 1 minus square root of 3. First of the square. As I told you, s squared is equal to s times s. If you have 2 squared, the same as 2 times 2. So if you're having 1 minus square root of 3 all squared, then it means it's multiplying twice. This is what you have. So this is equal to what? It's equal to, right, your 1 over hot. Then 1 will multiply. So we have 1 multiplying 1 minus square root of what? 3. And then this, and it finishes minus square root of 3. We also go multiply 1 minus what? Square root of what? 3. Okay? So yes, it's equal to 1 over, then 1 times this, you get 1 minus square root of 3. This is what you get, okay? The negative square root of 3 times positive 1, you get negative square root of what? 3. The negative square root of 3 times negative square root of 3, get positive square root of 3 times 3, which is 9. This is what you get, okay? So which is equal to 1 over what? 1 over, have you seen? 1 over 1, then negative square root of 3 minus square root of 3, you get negative 2 square 2 root 3. Is negative s minus negative s, negative 2s. So negative 2 root what? 2 root 3. This is what we get. And then plus square root of 9 is what? This is 3. Obviously, I told you it was 4 minus 2 root 3, as I told you. So this is equal to what? 1 over. Then you add the rational numbers together. 1 plus what? 3 minus 2 root what? 2 root 3, which is equal to what? 1 over. This is 4 minus what? 2 root what? 2 root 3. Yes, you look at the answer. How to rationalize this again? Rationalize. Which is equal to what? Which is equal to 1 over 4 minus 2 root what? Root 3. This is the question. So what is the conjugate? Conjugate is 4 plus. So 4 plus 2 root 3. That is the conjugate. All over what? 4 plus 2 root 3. This is the conjugate, okay? Yes. So yes, I'm going to draw a line here. For this, we are from here, we are coming here, okay? Fine. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, you have 1, then you get what? This is equal to what? 4 plus 2 root what? 2 root 3 all over. This is conjugate, product of the conjugate. If you multiply, right, let it match now, write the answer straight. The answer is what? You get 4 squared minus what? Minus 2 root what? Root 3 all squared. So this is the answer you get, which is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 all over 4 square is 16. And then this one, what do you get? It's the same as, this is 2 times square root of 3. So this is to be the same as what? We have 2 root 3 is 2 times square root of 3. If you square it, if you know indices very well, then this one is, this is 2 squared. Get 2 squared times square root of 3 all square, you get 4. So you get what? You get, well, okay, is it, yes, you get the minus what? This is minus. So you get 2, this is 4 times this, 4 times what? 3 is what you get, which is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 all over 16 minus 12. Okay, 16 minus 12 is 4, which is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 all over 4. Okay, yes. So this you can just separate them, which is equal to 4 over 4 plus what? 2 root 3 over 4, which is equal to 4 over 4 is 1. Then 2 goes to 4, 2. So plus 1 over 2 root what? Root 3 is the answer. So what is the answer? The answer is what? 1 plus 1 over 2 root 3. So this is the answer. The answer is B. Guys, I hope you are enjoying. This is not difficult at all. I mean, you only need to understand, as the name of the channel implies. Get to understand, don't memorize. If you memorize, you will not be able to solve this question. So that's why understanding matters. That's why the name of the channel is Get Understanding, don't memorize. So the channel is there for you to make sure that you understand every topic that is treated here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.